Looking towards Valencia. There's the port out there. See a couple ships in the distance. There's a tugboat out here. And then all of a sudden you got, yikes. Bad news for this guy. He's stuck. As you can see, it's only about, I don't know, 50 yards offshore, 100 yards, 100 yards offshore. That's probably 3 meters of water, tops. One thing you have to remember, there are no tides in the Med, so that's not going to give him any help. So every day this thing is just digging down deeper in what is very shallow water.